Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of our travel series Explore Meghalaya. I am Roman Dakar and you're watching Travel Cinema Offshore. Right now we are at Nongstoin in the West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, visiting the most popular falls of the district, the Weinia Falls. Weinia Falls is located at a distance of about 103 kilometers away from Shillong. This trip can be taken with a drive of around 3 hours or so. Situated 15 kilometers away from Nongstoin, which is the headquarters of West Khasi Hills district, this waterfall is considered to be one of the best and must-visit waterfall in Meghalaya. Descending from a towering height of about 1,000 feet, Weinia Falls is a hidden gem and an offbeat destination to visit. Though this place can be visited throughout the year, but the best time to visit this destination is during the monsoon season when the waterfall is at its maximum flow. The viewpoint right now. Just listen to the thunderous and the loud sound of the waterfall. A drive at this route reveals the scenic roads, charming and quaint villages, which unfolds into a variety of landscape changes. Some stretches of this highway also offer breathtaking and scenic views. There are also plenty of eateries offering an opportunity to savor the local delicacies and providing a taste of the local culture. So that's all friends in this video for today. We will see you soon in our next episode. Thanks for watching.